Just start. Go.
Hi, Facebook. This is Keisha reporting from a remote location in D.C. I know you don't trust Fox News, so here it is. Chilly out here. You see it's raining. I've tied my weave down. Stores are closed tomorrow. The weave stores are closed tomorrow, but I got a list of closings. It's open this week. Woo! All line of institutions are closed. Church and jobs, banks, and grocery stores are closed. What's open is the corner stores, the liquor stores, casinos, and 7-Elevens. Okay. I hope y'all have a safe night. Stay inside. Look at this. Just look at it. It's crazy out here. Okay? See? It's rough. It's rough out here.
Say back to you, Chuck.
Back to you, Chuck.